This is Sophie. This is Adventures with John and Johnny. Your task is to watch to the end, like and subscribe, grab some popcorn now. So Johnny, is this fun?
Yeah.
Good, that's good, that's good. You're good. I don't want to get taken by the other guy in another boat. Oh my gosh.
Like and subscribe if you like horses, or send a comment if you like horses.
Yeah, comment down horses, and if you like dogs, and if you like cats.
Or if you like kayaking.
Like and subscribe if you have a life.
Yes,
Well,
no, all right.
Uncle Jake.
I still have that. Yeah, I did that.
See him? Mom, you're gonna run him over!
I see him. He's right in front of you, Jeff. He's right in front of you, shout.
You just
Right there,
crushed
right
him.
there.
Toss it to me and I'll catch it. You got it?
Oh, we got him. Go, John, get it. Oh my
Yeah!
gosh.
Oh, sorry, Johnny.
Can you see him? Come on, so be it. Hurry up, we got a turtle.
That worked out perfectly.
I couldn't believe it.